welcome back in the garage, ready to rock and roll. Got this panel I made last time. If you see the last video, we are going to get this welded up and cut and butt, and hopefully it looks pretty good. Hopefully, we'll see. But feeling positive about it today. Got a bit of a positive step on the go, so let's go. So I've got this all tacked in, so all up to here, and some people might be thinking, well, you've got so much metal on here. I've kept this overlapped a little bit because having obviously the seal, I need to know where the outer seal's going, and I really want a bit more than I should have. So rest of this welded up, as you can see down there, come up really nice. It's quite straight, you see down there, lovely and straight down there. That so. This is the seatbelt bracket, the rear seat belts. So I'm going to put spot weld that in there, spot that weld in place. I'll give it cleaned up and give it a bit of weld through primer. I'll put some weld through primer before I weld it on there. I'll probably mark the hole out, drill that first, and then we'll go from there. So we get this bit welded up now, get that finished off. So really pleased with what I've got done today. I'm not going to worry about getting all these welds off because it's going to be the inside of the sill. So happy with the bracket, that's good. Bang my arm, well done. I'm going to get it all primed up and then I'm going to rebuild, turn the car around, rebuild all the inside of this. So we've got a nice bit to weld onto when we get the chassis back on. I'm going to cut all this rot out. I've welded it from the inside as well, over there. Cut this rot out, make the new panel inside the car, and so get this corner nice and strong. I mean, that's solid. I can't hardly move it. Look. Right, now inside the car. It's a little bit difficult to record because I haven't really got much to really. Not going to see much, to be honest, because there's not really much to hang my phone on without rocking around. But yeah, I've made this template up. It's going to sit in there. You can see in there. So I'm going to make this all up. I'm going to make this little divot there. Still got to flatten these off, make it look good, and then obviously make this. I'll go make this now, and I'll try and get a bit of film on the go. I'll put my tripod this side probably. See if I can. I should be able to get from this angle. I don't know. We'll see. See how much room I've got here. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do now anyway. So, had a little moment, got a bit carried away, turned it back up the other way to obviously finish this bit off, as I was doing a little while ago. I've still got to cut this bit off and replace this, but obviously when I put the chassis on, yeah, they come out right. I've got to, I'm probably, this is savable. I ain't too bad. I reckon I can get away with that. Give it a bit more of a clean up. That's almost there, I think. But this bit here, I've got to chop out this very edge here on the other side. So I'm going to do, and they can have a little panel up there in a minute. But this, I got carried away. So yeah, that's how right it is. Obviously that was planned anyway, but I did just get carried away. I thought, right, I'm going to start doing spot welds. And well, this is what happened. I thought that ain't really going anywhere, so I cut it out. It's got to be cut out anyway. So yeah, there's a little strengthening bar in there for obviously for the spring and that. But yes, we can clean all this out in here, which is not too bad. And this side is solid as hell. It's clean as hell in there. So what I'm going to do is clean up as best I can, get some paint in there best I can. But this bit at the back here is solid. I'm happy with that. So eventually the whole thing will be one solid piece. So anyway, this will be in the next video, me having a right old go at this. Yeah, gonna give it a go. So anyway, thanks for coming back, and I'll see you next time.